Okay, so now we're going to dive into some of the differences in the individual vehicle options for the rear entry vehicles. So if we come down and we select seating, you'll see that it pulls up the Dodge Caravan seating options. If we were to go back up and change from Dodge to Toyota, it would flip over so that you can see the differences. Dodge Caravan seating options provide you flip seating, OEM seating, and deletes, and then third row. So if you need flip seating, you'll select that, and then everything that you add in will increase and decrease the price as you're familiar with. If you don't need flip seating and you want to have OEM seating and deletes, those are the OEM and seating delete options that you have. And again, some of these are no charge, so they won't impact the overall price, but you want to annotate those so that the team at the factory knows what to build your vehicle to those specs. The last option would be third row. Those are your third row seats, and then you can select those and it will increase and decrease the price. So if we don't handle or let's just show you the differences um, between Dodge to Toyota. So if I flip it over to Toyota, I won't change these just for quick purposes. But now that I come down, you'll see that it gives you completely different Toyota Sienna options. So now you have leather, OEM, and third row. So if I click leather, there's your leather seating options, your OEM and seat deletes that are specific to Toyota. Now there's only one. And your third row options, which are very similar to the Dodge. So that's your seating differences from rear entry to ambulance. And in the next section, we'll go over retention systems and stretcher mounts.